Hey guys, it's April with Fundanoodle. Today in Charlotte, our public schools had a teacher work day to allow our amazing educators to head to Raleigh to march for more support and more pay. And power to Red for Ed. Hope you guys had a great day. But it gave me a preview of what summer's going to look like, because in one day I already got it. I'm bored. Now granted, I got it from the teenager and not the little learner, but I still got it in one day without school. So many things. You need to make sure that you are stocking up your mommy arsenal for this summertime boredom pleas that you're going to hear. And our products, our Fundanoodle hands-on learning products, are perfect to kill two birds with one stone. You can kill the I'm bored, but also make sure that you're preventing summer learning loss by having some of our tools handy. Now, one of the best ways to do this, and it'll make it super fun for your little learner, is to take advantage of our gift services program specifically for the summer. So you can pick from one of three options, whether you have a preschooler in the 3 and 4 age, or even 2 and a half, a pre-kindergarten in that 4 or 5 age, or whether you have a rising first grader. We have a set of products for each one of those. And with one purchase, you can make sure that your little learner is going to get a piece of mail every month, June, July, August, and September, with a fun new educational tool that they will love doing, and then you will love all the learning. So, real quickly, if you have a preschooler, 3 and 4-year-old, you'll sign up for our preschool orange level gift services 1. That comes with our super popular, they don't cut anything, but paper. Comes with our awesome I Can Cut book with the scissors, and it comes with our I Can Do Math. These top-bound spiral books are great for planes, trains, and automobiles all summer long. The hardbound is going to let you use them in the car or on the floor, and the top-bound spiral is going to keep it flat. And we'll just drop that right there. All the activities are easy for your children to work through themselves, building confidence. They might get a little hard and you take it away and then bring it back, and all of them have great stickers. The other piece is our Maxing Out the Adventures activity book, and then one of our other most popular products, our huge floor pad, which can be used on an easel or on the floor. So again, this is our preschool kit, and you make one purchase of $47, and each month one of these will show up for your little learner, so they can get a surprise in the mail as well as something new to beat the boredom. If you have a 4 or 5-year-old, a pre-kindergartner, I know right now some of our ambassadors are going through this. You're going through some of the ending of preschool and the emotion of that. But go ahead and set yourself up for the time when you're going to hear that I'm bored before school starts, and you're going to start getting that little worry of, am I doing enough? Are they ready for kindergarten? So our preschool group comes with our amazing muscle mover cards. So these cards are heavy laminate with all of the letters, uppercase letters, with the green and red line teaching them where to start and where to stop. But more fun are the other side with all these cool animals and occupational therapy-based activities to really help them get the wiggles out. You can check out our Facebook page or our social media feeds to see all different ways to use these cards all summer. Take them to the zoo, to the aquarium. Use them for animal recognition as well as for letter and handwriting. Also, throughout the kit, through the 4-month period, you'll get our I Can Write Numbers book and our Level 2 Math and Maxing Out the Adventures. Again, you make the purchase now, between now and June 14th, and on the 15th of each month, June, July, and August, we will ship these out to your little learner. And the final group is for our older kids, our people who are finishing up kindergarten and rising first. In this group, we have our lowercase muscle movers, so 26 different unique animals and activities with the lowercase side. We have, again, our 2 activity books, Maxing Out the and our math book. And in this kit, this one's a little more, this one's $56. You get our awesome magnets. All of the colorful, strong magnets that your child needs to work on all of their lowercase letters. Now, lowercase letters are harder to write than uppercase, but children write more of them, so they take a lot more practice. So the magnets are a really fun way for your little learner to practice those this summer. So again, each kit comes, you get one product a month. If you order between now and the cutoff of June 14th, you'll get one in June, one in July, one in August, and one in September. Every time you get a I'm bored, you know there's something coming in the mail. And each product will come with one of these awesome cards that explains the product and gives you some really good ideas about how to use it on the back side. So check out our website or find your local ambassador. Look for gift services and know that that is going to be your secret weapon to fight I'm bored and to make sure they keep learning all summer long. Have a great night. Talk to you soon.